At Rezolve.ai, we believe getting help, whether it's for IT or HR, should be as easy as having a conversation. No portals, no complicated forms, and no endless back and forth emails. Rezolve.ai brings full-service, intelligent IT and HR support directly into Microsoft Teams, combining automation, curated knowledge, and empathetic virtual assistants to make employee support effortless. Today I'll show you what that actually looks like with a real-world example.
Imagine this. You log in and suddenly all of your SharePoint files seem to be missing. Oh no, I've lost all of my SharePoint files. What am I going to do? The virtual assistant immediately acknowledges the concern and begins gathering clarifying information, asking when I last saw the files and whether it's a few missing documents or my entire SharePoint library. They were there yesterday when I left for home. My entire SharePoint library is gone. Rezolve.ai's virtual assistant Sidekick 3.0 stays calm and empathetic. It walks me through common troubleshooting methods, starting with the simplest and most effective, checking the SharePoint recycling bin. One of the most powerful features is that Rezolve.ai pulls in curated external knowledge sources right out of the box. Here it provides a direct link to Microsoft's official support page on restoring deleted SharePoint items. These curated resources come preloaded, saving support teams hours of setup time and giving employees immediate access to trusted information. After following the troubleshooting steps, I realized the files are still missing. I've tried everything, they are nowhere. Recognizing the urgency and that I've exhausted the basic troubleshooting, the virtual assistant proposes escalating the issue by creating a support ticket. It quickly gathers my name and email address to include with the ticket, making the process effortless. Rezolve.ai automatically assigns the ticket to the correct service team, prioritizes it accurately, classifies it properly as an incident, pre-fills my information, and generates a calm, clear summary of everything we've discussed, including troubleshooting steps we've already tried. All I need to do is click Submit. The ticket is instantly routed into the service desk system, complete, categorized, and ready for faster resolution.
With Rezolve.ai, employees get help exactly when they need it, whether it's IT support, HR assistance, or anything in between. And support teams get the context and clarity they deserve without the extra effort. Intelligent support, seamless experience, all inside Microsoft Teams or Slack. Visit our website at www.rezolve.ai to learn more, or book a demo today to see Agentic Sidekick 3.0 in action.